I'm Cynthia. I initially started attending MathConcept when I was in the 4th grade. At that particular time, my mathematics grades were not particularly great, so my mom, always thinking about what was truly best for my academic future, thoughtfully enrolled me in MathConcept. Back then, I genuinely hoped that I could answer word problems more quickly and efficiently. There was one particular time during an important exam when my results were not very good at all. After I talked to the teachers at MathConcept, they patiently taught me in a very encouraging and supportive way. They meticulously went through each of my mistakes and effectively helped me to solve all of my problems. Ever since I successfully managed to solve a difficult mathematical problem, I've become much more profoundly interested in the field of mathematics, and my overall confidence has also significantly improved as a result. If there's a kid who is scared of math, I would tell them, hey, make sure you build a very solid and fundamental foundation in mathematics first. Once you have that strong base, it will be much easier to fully understand and effectively solve more challenging problems quickly and efficiently. You'll also gradually come to see that mathematics really isn't that scary at all. As long as you are able to find the right and most effective way to learn, you'll truly start to think that mathematics is actually a lot of fun and quite enjoyable. That's why I highly recommend learning math here at MathConcept.